Punta kami ng groomer ni Linux today. Yes, love you too. Walking lang kami papunta sa grooming shop. Lavender Pet Spa. So, it's for cat grooming. Hi!
Oh, hi! Come in.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm just taking a video.
Oh,
Is it
okay.
alright?
Yeah.
Oh, Erica?
He needs a hair.
That's okay, baby. Behave, Linux.
That's good.
He likes that one.
Oh, yeah,
He
yeah,
likes cleaning his
Usually
ears.
they
Yeah.
do.
We're done. Pauwi na tayo. So yan, kung may mga cats kayo, certified groomer siya for cats, that's $70. Plus, nagbigay tayo ng tip for the service. So lalagay ko sa caption yung specific address. Bye-bye!